I've been meditating for over 10 years, but this program is on another level.
I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to start practicing meditation, but Synctuition was the simplest and most perfect way to start.
Synctuition has made me meditate in a completely new way.
It is the most relaxing experience that I can imagine having right at home.
My headphones replaced my yoga mat.
After a really hectic and stressful day, the only thing that can relax me is intuition. I finally started dreaming again. Now I have such vivid and colorful dreams.
Synctuition is responsible for me finally getting a good night's sleep. I've never felt more energized.
I started the program to improve my sleep, but it ended up changing how I approach every single day.
Just imagine putting on your headphones and closing your eyes and finding yourself in a totally different world.
The audio sessions are just the right length so that I could listen to them every day.
Synctuition feels like a complete spa treatment for your mind.
The last journey had the greatest effect on me.
You need to hear it so you can understand it.
I had tears in my eyes when I heard it for the first time.
After listening to Synctuition, I always sleep like a little baby.
Welcome to Synctuition.